In this video, we will see how to set up a featured video content in YouTube channel for the first time visitors and repeat visitors. If this is your first time viewing my video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. Setting up featured content helps in increased channel growth by getting more subscribers and as well as telling new and returning visitors what type of content they can look forward in your YouTube channel. Having signed into YouTube account, we need to go to main channel page and enter Customise channel page to set up featured video content. Here, you can set up the featured video that can be viewed by both returning visitors who have subscribed to your channel and for those who are visiting your channel for the first time. You can select a video that you have created very specifically for returning visitors who view your videos in your channel again and again. Or you can select a random video that you feel they would be interested in viewing it. You can delete it and add a new one again here. You cannot add a streaming live video as your featured video here. Again, you can add an inspirational or a creative trailer video talking about your channel and the video content you add in it, inviting first-timers to subscribe to YouTube channel. You can change or delete the video content here. You can see here when a visitor visits your channel for the first time, this is the content he or she views. But once you subscribe to the channel, you will view the content that's been uploaded for returning visitor. We have successfully set up featured content in YouTube channel. With this, we come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Like, comment and share the video if you found it helpful. Thank you.